All right, we got wet spot, wet spot, wet spots, wet spots. This whole, I mean, really all of this, probably just go, I mean, this is bad. I'm gonna pop my head up there first to see what's going on, but this, I mean, if it's not bad up there, maybe we don't have to do rip the whole thing down, but apparently there's a shower above this. I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. Left my trash can.
It's all good.
But I live like the light over.
It's soaked up here. Looks like it's a drain. I don't know. Soaked.
I know some of you are judging me because I'm wearing a hazmat suit, but I don't care. I don't care. You can make fun of me all you want. Situations like this, with popcorn ceilings, I will gladly wear one. So there's the shower drain. I don't see any wetness on that. All right, we gotta go upstairs. Go stairs. Second floor. Bowie! His name's Bowie. Wow, that's a loud meow. You're so loud. Shut up. Shut up, dude. He's a sweet dude. Hello, Bowie dude. He's a bobcat. Hello, Bowie boy. Come here. Come here, cute boy. Look at, he has the pterodactyl feet. Right, Bowie dude? He's a sweet boy. You can pick him up. He doesn't bite. Yeah, you're a sweet dude. You're a sweet little kitty dude. Come here, Bowie dude. Come here. You just need a little company, don't you? You just need a little company. This is very peculiar. That's really cool. That's really cool. Oh man. This unit's nice. I don't remember it being remodeled like this. Well, I expected... Come here! I expected to see... Shut up! Yeah, there's no water up here anywhere. Okay, this is the unit next. You can hear the cat over there. So it's gotta be this tub. Because this is, yeah, this is it. Because this is on the front of the building. So this is definitely it. There's a leak right here. This must be it. Whoa. Whoa. That's the leak right there. That's it. That's for sure the leak. Because I can hear Brent right there. That's it.
Yeah, because you went to the other side too, right? So
What's
they're
up?
all connected.
But why is it... Is there water in the sink right now? No, there's not.
No, nobody used it. The only thing that came here is you, and when you went to the other side, it always related.
You know what I think it is? It's the supply hoses. I just turned them off. I think it's the supplies. I'm not sure yet though. Yep, angle stops are off. There must have been a little pinhole leak on one of the supplies. What I think I'm gonna do is just replace this faucet. This thing is crusty. I cannot get this supply hose off of the shank. I literally cannot get it off. I can't get enough leverage on this. Lexel. It's holding the plate down. Works good. This is all I had on the truck. It's a little fancy, but it's a little price fister. What a mess. That's on. That's on. That's a really nice faucet. It's a little bit too fancy for this place, but that's all I had. Nice and clean in here, bro.
Freaking, it's not dripping as bad as it was, for sure.
Yeah, I think whatever is still dripping is just residual.
Look at this. This is wood, particle board. Just falls right apart. I'm literally pulling this out by hand. All clean. Come back, put a piece of plywood right here.
All right, so I ended up deciding that I need to replace this because it was leaking just a little bit. I crap you not. This is so rotted out in here. You can't see it. There's no way you'll be able to tell. It's just black gunk. I could not get this. That's as far as it'll go, right there. I was hammering it. That's as far as it'll go. Because it's just so mucky and it's disgusting. So this is a 1.25 inch brush.
There you go. That's crazy. Go ahead.
All right, I'm getting out of here, man. We've been here way too long, messing around on stuff that doesn't take that long. This is perfectly lined up. I don't know.